Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, you guys, I want to talk to you guys about the Aspire credit card. I got a comment asking me to actually do a review on this card, and also they said they got approved for $1,000. So congratulations on your pre-approval. Now, when it comes down to this Aspire credit card, I do see that they allow you guys to actually see if you can pre-qualify for the credit card. So let's start there first. Every time I look at credit cards, I want to see if they can pre-qualify. Pre-qualify means that they probably don't have to give you a hard pull. Yeah, so they can try to pre-approve you for up to $1,000 without a hard pull on your credit. So that means that you can just pre-qualify for it and then see what terms they're going to give you too. Let you know how much they'll charge you if there's a fee for it every year, how much you actually approve for. They can pre-qualify you for it. So that's one thing I do like about this credit card. Now I do want to go into like the fees when it come down to the cards, because that's really the biggest thing for me. Do they report to all three credit bureaus, which they do report to the credit bureaus? What is the annual fee? Is there an annual fee? Can you get credit increases? These are the things that I want to look at for this card. Now, when it comes down to this card right here, you guys will have mobile access. You guys will get an instant credit decision. So when you put your application in, they should let you know right away whether you're approved or not. But like I said, I want y'all to do the pre-approval first. You guys will get a free credit score. I believe it's a Vantage credit score, but still it's like a Credit Karma kind of credit score. It's not your FICO, but you still will get that free credit score, zero fraud liability. Don't forget, if you have any transaction on any of your cards, a lot of these credit cards should be able to have that $0 fraud liability. So if you have transactions that's not yours, you should automatically, most cards, you should get your money back without a problem. It's an unsecured credit card, which means you don't have to put any money into the account at all for them to send you a credit card. It's just unsecured. You guys will have chances to get your credit increased. Now that right there is big. Now I think I read some other comments, you guys. I'm going to see if I can still find those comments that I did read when I did research on this card. I found some comments about people saying, hey, I got an increase on it. So that is something that they are really doing. So they are able to increase your limit. So I guess you start off with 1,000 and can go up. And then you get transaction alerts. Now they're telling you guys, yeah, you could definitely pre-qualify for it, which I really want you guys to do. But for some reason, when I click on the website to see if I pre-qualified, so I can show you guys the application, it does not work. So I'm going to just go ahead and copy their address and do an incognito screen. And that should make it pop up. I actually already popped it up here. I already have it here. This is the incognito screen I just pulled it up on. It's working on my phone. I'm not sure why it's not working on my computer, but I had to do an incognito screen. So this is the application to see if you pre-qualify. So the first step is put your information in so they can see if you pre-qualify. Number two, they're going to give you your offer, and then number three is the approval. So it looked like a basic application with your first and last name, social security number, date of birth, your contact information, your mobile number, email address, and then confirm it, your address, your residential status too. This is whether you guys rent or owning, how much is your monthly payment that you're paying for your residence. And they also want you to put your employment information down. So your annual gross income, your employer, the business phone number. And after you do that, you have to make sure you guys read these disclosures seriously, and then check the box here and see your offer. Now, let's look into some of the credit terms for this account. I started to record a video already on my phone, but then I was like, you know what, let me get this work on my computer. So let's look deep into this, because it's kind of like blew me away already. I'm not gonna be too surprised now, but I want to read more into it. So the APR for this credit card is 29.99%. And also, if you guys do like cash advances or balance transfers, that interest rate for those transactions is going to be 32.99%. So that is a lot in interest for this credit card. Now, this credit card, you see that, you're like, okay, You like, okay, it's a high interest rate credit card. What I want y'all to look at is the fees, like the annual fees for the credit card. So I started reading this and I'm like, oh my gosh, but it looked like they also have it down here. So if you guys get approved for $1,000, you're going to have to pay $175 for the first year. And then after that, you're going to have to pay $49 every year. That's a lot of money that you have to pay. I don't, just based off of that alone, I don't like the card at all. I don't like the card at all because I don't like those fees. If you get approved for a $700 limit, you have to pay $175 for the first year and then $49 every year. And this is their annual fee. So think about it like this. If you get approved for $1,000, you're going to have $825 available when they send your card because they taking their money off the top. So if it's $1,000, they get their $175 off, and then they're going to give you the card at the $825. If it's $700, you're only starting with $525. $500, you start with $401. $400, you're going to start with $301. $350, you're going to start with $265. And these fees are very high, you guys. I don't want you guys to pay it. Just so based off of that, oh, wait. You're going to get both? Oh, wow. It's billed. Okay, so yeah. So this fee is going to be afterwards. So after you pay your initial fee, I guess every month you're going to have to pay an additional fee to it. It's just too much. You got balance transfer at 3%, cash advance $5 or 5%, and foreign transaction fees. This credit card, you guys, I wouldn't suggest this. And it's just really the fees. If you really want to get a credit card and you just don't know where to go, I tell everybody, you guys need to just look into Capital One and see if they can pre-approve you too. Now, if they pre-approve you for a credit card, so see, you can go to their website, click on see if you pre-qualify for it. They'll let you know any of their credit cards that they can pre-qualify you for, and they have a lot of credit cards. So you guys have like 10 to 15 credit cards to choose from, but they'll let you know, hey, we actually pre-approve you for this credit card. Now, reason why I say to go with like a pre-approval with Capital One instead of doing that credit card is because if you was to get like their regular credit card, like their regular platinum credit card, you guys, your interest rate will be 26.99%. You won't have to pay anything annually at all. Nothing. You don't have to pay them anything annually. And they can see if they can pre-qualify you. So that's like an amazing thing. Now, they do have another regular credit card. I'm kind of comparing this to like the Aspire credit card in terms of approvals. You most likely get approved for these two here. They do have one with cash back, but the annual fee is $39. But still, you can try to see if you can negotiate not having an annual fee, but that annual fee still is way lower than that $175 or any of the other fees that's on there already with the Aspire credit card. But I definitely want to show you guys that I do not think that people should get this credit card. I know it looks nice, like dang, up to $1,000. That's good. But the point that $1,000 when you get it gonna be $825, that is crazy. And it's not really worth it if you ask me. But this is the credit card. If you guys want me to do a review on the credit card, let you know what I think about it, definitely let me know and drop it down in the comments. See you guys later. There's so many people out there with debt, so much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car, they can't get a mortgage, they can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership, and it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge-off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repairs. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below. Or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.